I suppose I'm like anyone who loves their couch, but I don't know whether I love the left side better or the right side. Sure, the right side is like the softest pillow in the world, but the left side is just perfect for kicking back and relaxing your feet. The right side takes dedicated cleaning and maintenance, whereas the left does just great with a spit shine and a crafty elbow. The right side knows how to party all night long, but the left provides the intellectual stimulation I so crave. The right side is flirtatious and has seen me naked several times. The left prefers I stay clothed and subdued, but is always really friendly about it. The right eats a steady diet of delicious soy crackers, but the left is just happy with a full box of sugar and a bottle of Wesson oil. The right side seems to be a very desirable resting place for cats, yet they don't ever stick around very long over there on the left. The favorite music of the right side is anything classic by either the Beatles or the Who, whereas the left likes to listen to self-help tapes in order to better itself and those around it. Yep, I suppose you could say I'm just like everybody else, except I'm completely fucking crazy.